Alrighty, Germaine, I'm going to show you how to view a recording. So on your home page, you should see your name up here. You're going to go to My Schedule, okay? And then up here, you want to pick the date. So here's Monday, okay? This is your assignment right here for math. And Monday's recording is not there. I'll have to go back and fix that. But here's Tuesday's recording. Here's your assignment for Tuesday. Okay, what you do is you come over here where it says events and you click it, and that shows the recording, okay? Here's Mondays for ELA. There's that recording. So for each class, okay, you want to just click it and the recording will pop up. And like I said, for math, your assignments are right here. So please make sure you do your assignments too, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.